Barack Obama, a story of hope and hard work. Barack Obama was born in Hawaii in 1961. His father was from Kenya. His mother was from the United States. They met in college but later got separated. Barack lived with his mother and later with his grandparents. He was a quiet boy. He liked to read books and learn new things. Sometimes he felt different because of his skin color. He often asked, "Who am I?" But he had big dreams. He wanted to do something good in life. He worked hard in school. His childhood was not always happy, but he stayed strong. He believed in himself. This was the beginning of his journey. From a small island boy, he was going to become someone the whole world would know one day. When Barack was 6, he moved to Indonesia with his mother. She married an Indonesian man. Life was very different there. The roads were busy. The houses were small. Many people were poor. Barack went to a local school. He learned to speak the local language. He made new friends. He saw a new culture. He missed his grandparents and America. But his mother taught him to be strong. She taught him to learn from every place. She helped him study every day. Barack learned many lessons in Indonesia. He saw that life was not easy for everyone. This made him kind and thoughtful. He became more open to people from different places. This time helped him grow in a big way. When Barack was 10, he moved back to Hawaii. He lived with his grandparents again. They loved him and helped him study. Barack joined a good school. He read many books. He asked many questions. But still he felt different. Many children did not look like him. Sometimes he felt alone. But he kept going. He studied hard and tried to do well. His teachers saw that he was smart. They helped him. He started to think about life, people, and problems. He wanted to help others. These thoughts stayed with him for many years. He finished school and made plans for college. He wanted to learn more and grow. He was ready to take the next big step. Barack went to college in Los Angeles. Then, he moved to New York and studied at Columbia University. He read about politics, law, and history. He wanted to understand how the world works. He saw that many people had problems. He wanted to help them. After college, he worked in an office. But he was not happy. He felt something was missing. He wanted to do more than just a job. He wanted to help real people. So, he left his job and moved to Chicago. There, he started working with poor people. College gave him knowledge. But his heart told him to help people. That was the start of his journey to become a leader. In Chicago, Barack worked as a community helper. He met many people who were poor. They had no jobs and no good homes. He listened to them. He tried to help them. He helped them talk to the government. He showed them how to work together. It was not easy. Some people lost hope. But Barack did not give up. He saw that even one person can bring change. He worked hard every day. He learned to lead. He learned to care. He saw that education and laws could help people. So, he decided to study law. His time in Chicago changed him. He found his purpose. He wanted to do more for the world. Barack joined Harvard Law School. It is one of the best law schools. He studied hard. He read many books about law and justice. He joined student groups. He liked to speak in class. He wanted to fight for fairness. People saw he was a good leader. One day, he became the first black president of the Harvard Law Review. That was a big honor. People talked about him in the news. But Barack stayed calm and kind. He wanted to learn more. Harvard gave him the tools to change the world. After finishing law school, he returned to Chicago. Now, he was ready to help people with the power of the law. In Chicago, Barack met Michelle. She was also a lawyer. She was smart and strong. They worked in the same office. Soon, they became good friends. Later, they fell in love. In 1992, they got married. Michelle believed in Barack. She always supported him. Later, they had 2 daughters, Malia and Sasha. Barack loved his family. He played with his girls and helped them grow. Michelle was always by his side. She helped him stay focused. Their home was full of love and peace. Barack said that his family gave him strength. They were his team. With them, he was ready to move forward and do bigger things. In 1996, Barack started his political career. He became a state senator in Illinois. He talked to people about their problems. He worked to improve schools and jobs. People liked him because he listened. He spoke with kindness and truth. In 2004, he gave a big speech at a national meeting. He talked about hope and unity. Many people across America liked his words. That speech made him famous. He then ran for the U.S. Senate and won. Now, he was a national leader. People started saying, maybe he can become president one day. Barack stayed humble. He continued to work hard and help others. In 2008, Barack ran for president. He had a simple message: yes, we can. He talked about change, hope, and a better future. People of all ages supported him. Young people helped him online. He visited many cities and talked to many people. He stayed calm and strong. He gave people hope. Many people believed in him. On election day, he won. He became the first black president of the United States. People around the world cheered. His win gave people hope. He showed that anything is possible with hard work. It was a big moment in history. The world was watching. Barack became president in January 2009. The country had many problems. People lost jobs. Banks were closing. The economy was weak. Barack worked day and night. He helped the people. He made plans to save jobs. He passed a healthcare law. It helped many sick people. He also worked on climate change. He wanted a clean and safe future. In 2012, people voted for him again. He became president for the second time. He stayed honest and calm. People respected him. He showed that a good leader cares for everyone. He worked not for fame, but for the people. Being president was not easy. Many people disagreed with Barack. Some said his ideas were too big. Others said he was too slow. But Barack stayed strong. He listened to everyone. He did not fight back with anger. He used peace and truth. He always spoke with respect. Even when people were unkind, he stayed calm. He talked about big problems like racism and the environment. He said, "Let's work together." Sometimes he failed, but he never gave up. He showed the world that leaders should stay peaceful and strong. He believed in unity and kindness. In 2017, Barack finished his time as president. People clapped for him and thanked him. He gave a goodbye speech. He talked about love, hope, and working together. After that, he went back to normal life. But he did not stop helping people. He started the Obama Foundation. It helps young people become good leaders. He also wrote books and gave speeches. People still listen to him. He stayed calm and kind. He did not forget his promise to help others. Even after being president, he worked for a better world. His journey was not over. Barack Obama's story teaches us many things. He showed that big dreams can come true. A boy from Hawaii became the president. He worked hard, stayed kind, and never gave up. He said that books and education are powerful. He believed in helping others. He loved his family. He stayed honest. He showed that we can lead with peace. He proved that one person can make a big change. His story gives hope to many people. He told us to believe in ourselves. Barack's life is full of lessons. If we dream big and work hard, we can do anything. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.